something ain't right, okay? Something ain't right. Something ain't sitting right in my spirit. I woke up this morning and I'm still not at 100,000 subscribers yet. What are you doing wrong? What's wrong with you? You know, listen, Lord, Jesus. They say, ask and you shall receive. Where they at? Hey guys, what's up? I'm Morgan and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, thank you so much for tuning in to today's video because it is a good one, okay? I am talking about getting 100,000 subscribers or more, and I'm also talking about growing my Instagram account because you know they say ask and you shall receive, okay? So I'm asking, I'm trying to receive all the things that I'm asking for, so you know you guys can help me out. So how do you help content creators that are growing but not growing at a fast pace? And I don't think everybody should be growing at a fast pace because, you know, we resonate with who we resonate with, but I'm telling you right now, hit that subscribe button, okay? Because we are trying to get that silver play button. We are trying to get a plaque to go on this wall right here. I want the aesthetics of the YouTube play button. I want 100,000 subscribers. So how can you help me? How can you help me? Here's what I need you to do, okay? When you see my content and you're watching my videos, because I know you guys are watching the videos. I get that. I can see that in my analytics. I can see that behind the scenes. Okay, so when you are watching my videos, if you are loving my videos and you are not currently subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure that you hit the subscribe button, okay? And then on those videos that you happen to love, even if you've seen a video months ago and you love that video, go back to my channel, find that video, share that video onto your Instagram account, share it on your Instagram stories, and then tag me. You know, that means you should be following me on my Instagram account too because I want to grow there as well. Okay, we are trying to grow as a content creator. We are trying to reach different brands. We are trying to get those sponsorships. But more importantly, I want to reach as many people as possible with the content that I produce. Because when I produce content, I'm not just thinking about myself, I'm also thinking about you guys. And this is why I love the community that I have built here on YouTube, because I'm doing this alone. I'm doing this still. I tell you guys all the time that I am creating content and I'm the only person creating content like this on this platform. And I love that. And I encourage you to create content yourself if you are in this field as well, because I love seeing other swimpreneurs, fashionpreneurs. I love seeing what you guys do. I love seeing your behind the scenes, and I encourage you to push yourself to be your best self. So how else can you help me? Aside from sharing my content, the only thing that you can do is comment on my things. Comment in the comment section below. Hit my Instagram account, follow me on my Instagram account, and engage with my content on there. If you see a post that I post and you happen to like it, whether it's a fashion post or a lifestyle type post or something that I put in my stories, reshare it. Share it to your following because it expands the network that I am trying to grow. And if you like what I do, chances are somebody that you know may like what I do as well, because like minds attract like minds. They say your vibe is your vibe attracts your tribe, and this is what we are trying to do here. Okay, so when you share all of my content out, your people sees my content and they come back to me. They see my content, and I just may gain a subscriber that's going to get me closer to getting my silver play button, closer to getting my plaque. And then it's also going to help resonate with other brands. I have brands looking at my content already on Instagram, and I'm trying to grow that account because I'm pushing more to a lifestyle brand. It's going to get more eyes on my actual brand, which is Mayhem Swim. And I could not appreciate the love that I have been getting recently. I have seen you guys. I'm seeing what you guys are posting. I'm seeing the comments. I'm seeing the reviews. I'm so happy and I'm so in love with what's happening with my brand. I cannot be a more proud entrepreneur. Let's just grow, okay? That's what this video is about. It's about growing and how you can help me as a content creator. So first of all, let's backtrack because I do want to give a very, 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 very huge shout out to all of you Mayhem babes. That's what I'm calling you guys, by the way. All of you Mayhem babes for supporting my channel, for helping me reach the goal that I have already had for myself. Last year, I wanted to get 5,000 subscribers, and I did. And now we are at 5,700. We are only in February, going into March right now. And I am so happy and excited because I'm starting to see more comments on these videos. I'm starting to see more shares. I'm starting to see you guys engage with me a lot more. And I'm not just going to be asking you to subscribe to my channel just to be subscribing. What I'm going to do for you is to be producing more content. You guys have already seen that I am building what is it called? Building a SWIMWEAR series has just started, which is the more advanced version of becoming a swimpreneur. So if you haven't checked out that series, it's just now starting. Make sure you go and follow my playlist or look in those playlists and just binge watch all of those videos, because I'm going to be showing you guys the day in, day out of actually building my SWIMWEAR, of building my brand, what I'm doing, how I'm doing it, who I'm talking to, the steps that I'm taking to create such an amazing lifestyle brand that I know and that I love. I'm going to be showing you guys all those things. But on this road to millions, you guys, this is going to be more vlog style content. This is going to be the content in my everyday life. I want you guys to get to know me a lot more. I want to get to know you guys a lot more. So when you comment on my videos and let me know how you like the videos, or what you think you want to see in my videos, or different type of places that you want me to go to, just to see how I interact in my everyday life, things are starting to open back up. So I'm able to do just a little bit more, but with caution. You guys know I do not play around with that thing that's in the atmosphere, you know what I'm saying? I don't play around with that, so I'm not going to risk my life to get footage. But now that things are starting to slowly open back up and things are getting back to a little bit of normalcy around here, I can do a little bit more and do it with safety. So that's all I wanted to do for this video. I want to talk to you guys. I'm so excited about growing. I'm so excited about the Road to Millions series. I'm so excited about building a SWIMWEAR series. I'm so hype for this, because I'm going to be giving you guys so much content, even more content, better content, behind the scenes footage, more tutorials, more sewing tutorials, more supplies, more downloads, more everything, more Mayhem Morgan media is on the way. I appreciate you guys. And again, if you are not already subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button, because I am trying to get the silver play button, period.